Hi, this is Dr. Jessica Campbell and Dr. Lauren Palmer of Flint Family Chiropractic, and we just wanted to hop on and talk to you guys about allergies. It's spring allergy season, as well as people are kind of coming down off of the winter flu season, although I hear that we have another round coming, so whatever that means. So colds, flu, allergies, sinuses, and all the fun things that happen this time of year. So first and foremost, the best thing that you can do is come in for your adjustment. So, when you come in for your adjustment and we're checking your spine, the nerves that run throughout the spinal cord that we can affect with your adjustment can go to the different areas that you may be experiencing problems with during your seasonal allergy session that you're having. So up here in the neck, we're going to be checking that and adjusting, and that could have implications with things going on up here in your head as well as down lower. We're talking about, an itchy throat with your coughing and the drainage down here in the mid spine or in the mid back between the shoulder blades. We're affecting the lungs and diaphragm and different things. Yeah, come in for your adjustment because it's good. Along with the allergies, we're also boosting your immunity and your immune system, so it's going to help you fight off the flu and the colds and the things a lot better. So we're also going to show you guys some sinus and lymph drainage massage type stuff that we do for our patients that come in with different things. Some of the patients that we see are suffering from allergies, or they have a cold, they have a sinus infection, as well as the little kiddos with the ear infections. This is awesome for them too. So I'm going to have Dr. Lauren lay down on. So I have Dr. Lauren laying down here, and we're going to show you guys the sinus lymph massage. Basically what we're doing is we have sinus cavities, we have the frontal sinus cavities up here, and we have the maxillary sinus cavities down here. And sometimes when we get our allergies are in full bloom, or we're having a cold, we're having a sinus infection, different things like that, they get swollen, they get puffy, they get full, and then we have lots of drainage. So we're going to do a little bit of massage. So the massage basically consists of, we're moving everything from the inside out as well as from the top down. So pretty easy to remember, but we're going to start here at the frontal sinuses, and we're just using gentle pressure, and we're sweeping. Okay, so after we've done 4, 5, or 6 sweeps at the top, then we're going to move down here to the maxillary sinus, and you can find it just right under the cheekbone, and you're going to do, again, gentle pressure, and you're just going to sweep following under that cheekbone and out towards the ears. 4, 5, or 6 sweeps. Sometimes this feels really good, so you may want to do it more. After we do the top and then the maxillary here, then we're actually going to have Dr. Lauren turn her head. And this is where we'll show you on this side, but we do this on both sides. Now we're going to do the lymph nodes. There's some lymph nodes here in front of the ear and behind, and then they also run right down the neck here along this muscle. So again, gentle pressure, and we're just going to sweep right down along the front of the ear. And this is really good, especially for those kids that are suffering from the ear infections. They have drainage, and it's not allowed to drain properly just because of the anatomy of being a little kid. So we'll do 4, 5, or 6 sweeps there, and then we'll move behind the ear, and we will sweep those down. Again, we're encouraging everything to move here. And then once we've done in front of and behind the ear, then we're going to continue right down the neck. So just follow that muscle. Gentle pressure right down through there, and we should be encouraging all of the lymph here to drain, which is going to allow everything here that we've done to drain as well. A special little thing for the kiddos or anybody else that is having a little bit of ear trouble, you can help encourage the eardrum to drain too by just gently tugging here at the ear. That will help with that eustachian tube. Basically, the eustachian tube in the kids is more parallel, and then as we grow, it will then start to tilt more, and that allows it to drain better. So these kiddos have their parallel eustachian tube, and we're just going to encourage that to drain, as well as doing that lymph and sinus massage to help also encouraging things to drain. So another little tip, if you guys are having stuffy nose, runny nose, whatever's going on here, a little acupuncture point here right next to the nostril. If you just kind of push and rub right in here, that will help with your draining nose. And then of course there's other acupuncture points that we can push and poke to help with the allergies. So if Dr. Lauren wants to sit up, and then we will show some of those too. To wrap this up, we're going to talk first briefly. Remember, we're going to get adjusted, and then you can come in, and with your adjustment, we can work on lymph massage. You can do the lymph massage at home. If you have questions, feel free to call. But we're also going to wrap up here with a little bit of acupuncture. I already showed you guys the points right here next to the nostril if you're having some drainage with your allergies, your cold. We can also come in, there's a couple points here on the back. I'm just going to rub for Dr. Lauren that are associated with the allergies. And then you can also, here on the hand, we're going to massage there. There's a point right here behind the knee that we're going to get. There's one down here on the leg that we're going to do. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by. Give us a call, 785-320-6791, or drop some messages or questions here in the comments below. We'll see you guys later.